Hope for Liberia have done it again.
If you walk and then apply it, you have testimony.
God have used them again.
There will be a change. And all will see and they testify. Wow.
How many on each line? Come and check it. Check it. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. One. Check it. Me, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20.
So 20 on each.
Yeah.
So 20 here. Another 20. Like 40. Another 20 white. 20 white there. Like 80. Another 20 blue. Another 20 blue. Like 120 chairs. 120 pieces of chair. Hope for Liberia have done it. So the guys will not be on the stairs again. Everybody will have seats. They will not be on the stairs again. We got chairs. When they are in class, when they're in services, when they're on program, they will not be on the stairs to sit down. They will have place to sit down now.